Hello to all you siren enthusiasts on YouTube. Here's another video of the web power switch siren control system. I temporarily have it rigged up so that way I can just supply power to the AF timer and then automatically thinks that the alert button's pressed. And then it will just hold it out. And then it will click the contactor and supplying power to the 2T once that's plugged in, but I don't really have it plugged in at the moment because I'm going to show you what I did. Now, in a commercial standpoint, you could have each one of these be like in the grand scheme of things for an AF timer. You could have the outlet number 1. Well, you could have your AF timer plugged into the always on, and then you'd always have your router plugged into the always on, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets. You could control other stuff too, but outlet 1 could be test, outlet 2 could be alert, outlet 3 could be fire, and then outlet 4 could be attack, and then 5 could be cancel if you want to end it early or whatever. But the way I have mine set up is eventually that this will just go straight to the contactor, and then it'll go alert as long as I want it to go. Do alert is as long as I wanted to do it. But for right now, since I don't have another power cord that I can slaughter and chop off the end, this is just going to have to do with the AF timer automatically activating it. But that's just a commercial standpoint how you could do it. So what it does is, once you have it all loaded up here like I have on my computer screen, you can just hit switch on, and then that turns on the timer. Then, since it automatically thinks that this YouTube, it automatically thinks that the alert button's pressed, so it engages the contactor supplying power to the siren. But like I said, you could have 3 relays, I meant a total of 5 relays if you really wanted to, and then controlling the AF timer. Or you could just program each of these to cycle like an attack timing or an alert timing or whatever timing you want. So that's just basically how it works. Thanks for watching.